I'm here at Big Sur, California. Big Sur, California. Big Sur River that flows into the Pacific Ocean. And I am here to offer the sacred waters to the Pacific Ocean. There's some children here ready to go swimming. They may get in the camera. That's perfectly okay. This is the Big Sur River. I camped here last night. You can probably see some campfire smoke. Nice day in the neighborhood. So, Janie King and New Earth Lifestyles and my water blessing walk has taken me to Big Sur, California. My gosh, Big Sur. Never in my wildest dreams did I ever think I'd be here. But I'm here to offer some sacred healing waters to this water, the Big Sur River, which is flowing to the Pacific here at Big Sur, California. As I offer Patricia Cotto-Robles sacred healing waters. Ahoma Tapiasan, my blessings to you. My love to you. I love you. I love you. I love you. John of God water. I'm offering it now to this river. Ahoma Tapiasan. I love you. I love you. I send my love downstream into the Pacific. Sacred waters from the headwaters of the Sacramento River in Mount Shasta, California. This was gathered at the headwaters of the spring coming out of the mountain at the Mount Shasta City Park. I offer this water. I love you, I love you, I love you. I send my love downstream. The waters from the Upper Panther Meadows spring where Saint Germain was experienced. And I did experience Saint Germain in that Upper Panther spring. And I love you, I love you, I send my love, I send my love, I love you to this water. Oh, and so it is. Ama, healing waters from Ama. Thank you, Ama. Thank you for all the blessings. Those blessings go into this water, into the Pacific. I love you. I love you. I love you.
I can't get wet like you can.
And finally, I'm offering to the sacred river going into the Pacific. The healing waters of the artesian spring of Lady Long Rider in Trigo, Montana. I offer this. I love you, I love you, I thank you for this love. And there you have it. I love you, I love you, I love you. Sacred water. I love you, I love you, I love you. Sacred river, I love you. Remember, love your water as it loves you back. That's my experience. Love your water. Until next time, Janie King, New Earth Lifestyles on my water blessing walk in Big Sur, California, on the Big Sur River. Sending my blessings downstream into the Pacific to go all the way around the world, Until next time, love your water.